Hello there! Today we'll look into the features of the Grid Container Block, a custom Gutenberg block included in the Kaledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the Plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on WordPress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. Differences between the Grid and Flex Container blocks. Most controls in the Grid Container block are the same as those in the Flex Container block. The only differences are the number of columns controls, which are 3 separate settings for desktop, tablet, and mobile, and the content alignment control. Number of columns controls. This controls allows us to change the number of columns the Grid Container has. There are 3 controls, one for desktop, one for tablet, and one for mobile devices. We can select up to 6 columns. In this example, we are selecting 3 columns for desktop screens, two for tablet, and one for mobile devices. Thus, the Grid Container block allows designers to create responsive layouts. Content alignment control. In this example, we are using a simple grid container 300 pixels wide and with a minimum height of 200 pixels. With this control, we can align horizontally and vertically the container's content. The default value for vertical alignment is normal, while the default value for the horizontal alignment is legacy. By using the different available options, we can align the container's content in different ways. However, this control is especially useful for centering the content. Thank you for watching.